John just sizing up the cut there.
About to fell it into the garage.
He looks confident. As he confidently addresses the Husqvarna.
Big man. Big Mac. Big Mac.
I need a double cheeseburger and hold the lettuce.
Mac.
Don't be frontin' son, no seeds on the bun. We be up in the drive-thru, order for two. I got the craving for a number 9, lock my shoe. We need some chicken up in here, in this sizzle. Original my mizzle, extra salt on the frizzle. Dr. Pepper, my brother, another for your mother. Double, super size, and don't forget the fries.
Pull in the loader.
No, it should be alright, but I reckon we want to wedge it a good bit first. Do you want to keep pulling it? Yeah, keep pulling it, Alex.
But just gently.
Gently pulling it.
Yeah, go.
Okay, go. Hurrah! Oh, very nice hinge, John. Very nicely done indeed.
That took a serious pull.
Look at the size of the hinge though, it's tiny. Nicely just managed to
get a go though, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It was just such a fucking big fat squat lump.
How do you feel after that, John?
Shaky, sweaty.
Little bit nervous, little bit nervy at one stage there, but
I need a double cheeseburger and hold the lettuce. Don't be frontin' son, no seeds on the bun. We be up in the drive-thru, order for two. I got the craving for a number 9, lock my shoe. We need some chicken up in here, in this sizzle.
Number 9, but what kind? Grilled or crispy?
Oh, you ruined the wrap there.
You didn't tell me what you wanted. You said number 9. Number 9 what? We got grilled and crispy. And what's your drink with it?
Sir.
Big Mac?